In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a name in Smartsheet. Whether you're organizing your project data or simply tightening up your workspace, knowing how to properly manage and rename items can greatly enhance your workflow. Let's walk through the process step by step, making sure you have a clear and comprehensive understanding of how to do this. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the specific item within Smartsheet that you wish to rename. Start by looking over to the left-hand panel on your screen, where you'll find the Browse option. This is where you can search through your workspaces and folders to locate the item you have in mind. It's really just as simple as clicking around until you find exactly what you're looking for. Whether it's a sheet, a report, or a dashboard, everything can be organized within the neat structure of a workspace or a folder. Once you spot the item in question, you're ready to take the next step. Now that you've found the item, it's time to access its options. Hover your mouse over the name of the item, and you should see the ellipsis menu appear right beside it. That's the three little dots that might first look like just a minor detail, but they actually hold a lot of functionality. By gliding your cursor over, the menu becomes visible, signaling that you can explore further options. This is a very handy feature within Smartsheet, as it keeps everything clean and unobtrusive. Once you click on those three little dots, a menu will drop down with several different options you can select. For our purposes, you'll want to look for the option that says Rename. Go ahead and click on that, and you will be met with a dialog box right there on your screen. This is your opportunity to update the name of your item, so think carefully about what you want to call it. A clear and specific name can help you and your teammates quickly identify the function or content of the sheet. Finally, with the new name typed in, simply click the OK button to save your changes. It's always satisfying to finalize an edit and see your workspace come together just the way you envisioned. Make sure the new name effectively communicates what you expect out of that particular item. Not only does renaming help you stay organized, but it also aids anyone else who might be navigating the same workspace. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the name of an item in Smartsheet. Remember, these small tweaks can make a big impact on your organizational efficiency. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stick around for more Smartsheet tips and tricks.